Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Toyota Land Cruiser versus the Honda Passport. We'll explore their core differences, from rugged capability to everyday practicality, helping you decide which SUV best fits your lifestyle. Discover how these two vehicles stack up in terms of size, performance, and overall purpose. Let's dive into the details and see what each offers for your adventures. When it comes to power, the Land Cruiser boasts a robust 2.4-liter turbocharged hybrid engine, delivering 326 horsepower and an impressive 465 pound-feet of torque. The Passport counters with a capable 3.5-liter V6, offering 285 horsepower and 262 pound-feet of torque. For towing, the Land Cruiser leads with a 6,000 pound capacity, while the Passport is close behind at 5,000 pounds. Both offer all-wheel drive, but the Land Cruiser is built for more extreme off-road challenges. Inside, both the Land Cruiser and Passport prioritize comfort with seating for 5. The Land Cruiser offers 37.5 cubic feet of cargo space behind the second row, expanding to 82.1 cubic feet with seats folded. The Passport provides a generous 44 cubic feet behind the second row, growing to 83.8 cubic feet when those seats are down. Both vehicles include modern infotainment and safety features, ensuring a connected and secure ride for everyone. Considering value, the Land Cruiser typically starts around $57,400, reflecting its rugged build and legendary off-road prowess. The Passport, with its focus on everyday comfort and versatility, begins at a more accessible price point of approximately $46,245. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize extreme adventure or a refined daily driver with ample space. Both are excellent SUVs, but cater to distinct needs. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to those fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.